This is the exacttrades.com movers report for November 1st, 2011. First, we're taking a look at CVC. You can see support level here right around 1440, and we're gapping down this morning. Going to look to take this short on a new low from the open. Give it about 2 to 3 minutes after it opens. See if it can sell off. If it does bounce back up into this 1440, 1450 area, just set an alert at the low of the day. See if it'll turn back over. Could be something that we trade later in the morning or even in the afternoon if we get some selling. Watch 14 for support. If we open close to 14, wait for the break of 14. Maybe take it short around 13.95. 1% profit target would be about 14 cents for your entry. Second profit target is going to be about 28 cents. And then trail a stop on your last piece. Watch 13 for possible support as well. So plenty of money here. Looking weak and breaking through support levels on the gap. Watch this on the downside. Next, we're looking at VRUS. You can see here this channel that it was in previously through mid to late October. Had the lows around 76.30. So that's going to be our resistance level there. And there's the channel. Gapping up this morning, coming up into 76. Last is at 74.54 right here. And we do have some resistance here from October 24th. So we're going to take this short off the open on a new low. So wait for it to open, see if it can break through. I would start with half, so go short with half position. See if you get a small bounce or bounce to a double top, maybe testing the high of the day. See it turn over, add your second half at that point, and then see if it can break through to a new low. First profit target's going to be 75 cents from your entry. Second profit target's going to be 1.5, and then trail a stop in your last piece. Watch this 71.60 to 71.70 area for some support, and then some more support here at 70.60. Could come into 70 right in there, but watch that area for strong support. So you'll get your 2 profit targets, trail a stop, watch it here. If it gets a weak bounce, it might break through. You could get a little bit more out of that last piece on the short side. And next we have AMED, gapping down. Last is at 11 right here. Coming into the support level here from October 4th. Going to look for a breakdown off the open to take this short. First profit target's going to be 11 cents for entry. Second profit target is going to be 22 cents, and then try to keep a small piece and trail a stop. Try to come down into possibly 10. Should find some support at 10, so there could be a bounce. I'm not going to trade this long off of 10. Probably stay more to the short side on this. Just not a big enough move really for me to get a strong bounce off of 10, but it is good support. So watch that on your short for your exit. And now we're looking at UAN. You can see this channel here. Right under 26. Looking pretty strong with the sell back, the pullback of the market. So this is gapping up here. Last is at 26.15. Going to look to take this long over that. I would say 26.16 or 17. Wait for a break of that. Take it long. First profit target is going to be 26 cents for your entry. Second profit target is going to be 52 cents. And then just trail a stop on your last piece. Try to come up into 27, possibly 27.50. Next we have EXEL. Large gap down this morning from 740 down into 470 to 5 area. So we're right in this channel here. Going to have some resistance at about 530. Here's the lows from October 18th, October 20th. And then also resistance is going to be these highs here around 6. That was from October 21st. October 17th, a little bit here at the end of the 18th, came up and tested that 6. So we're going to look to take this long on a break to a new high off the open. Watch 5 for resistance. If it opens close to 5, wait for a break of 5 and then take this long. It's going to be quick profit target, so 5 cents and 10 cents from your entry, and then trail a stop in your last piece. There's still quite a bit of money up here into the first level of resistance, so try to be patient on that last piece, see if you can get up into 530 to that 540 area. If it starts to turn over, also keep your eye on the market if we have a lot of weakness. This might not have a huge bounce. We're really just looking for some short covering and some profit taking here, pushing this up, some buyers coming in a little bit, and then this probably will come back down and test the lows. If we get a strong day and this breaks through, we could trend up a little bit, but still plenty of money here on the long side, even if it doesn't have a huge bounce, coming into 530 to 550 area. And our last trade is HCA. It had gapped down to this 20 area. I really liked it there. It's already starting to move back up into 21. If it opens above 2050, I would pass on this. I really want it to open below 2050. The lower to 20, the better. The closer to 20, the better. So look for this to come back down and possibly open down here closer to 20. If it opens between this range, then go ahead and look to take it long on a new high off the open. If it opens up here where it's at, I'd go ahead and pass. By the time I prepared this and came back, it's already starting to move back up. So the reason being is you're going to run into some resistance here right around 2110, and then 2130, 2145. So there's several resistance levels here just above where the price is at that you're going to run right into without having a lot of reward for it to be able to run without, you know, that resistance level if it opened down here from 2050 to 20. So if it did open down here, there's some clean air, basically there's some open area where it can move up, get both your profit targets, and then trail your stop as you come into the resistance instead of opening so close to these lows. So just watch that. This still could open down here towards this 2050 area, and then look to take it long on a new high. If you do take it, profit target's going to be about 20 cents from your entry for your first target, 40 cents for your second target, and then just trail a stop up into this 21 to 2130 area. And those are the trades for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.